Bro, exam is just in 3 days, and I'm trying to watch all the videos at 2x speed, but it feels just a noise. What is happening with my brain? Oh, you call the right neuroscientist. When you play speech at 2x speed, your auditory cortex goes into overdrive. It slices up sound, predicts patterns, fills blanks. It is fast, but go too fast and the brain sprints. Then it trips. A 2021 Neuroscience study found that we can understand speech up to around 275 words per minute. Beyond that, your working memory collapses and comprehension crashes. But here's a twist. Your brain can adapt. Language learners who train with fast speech, they rewire their neurons. It is neuroplasticity, and it's a Hebbian learning. And he says neurons that fire together, they wire together. Oh, think of your brain like a sponge. Pour slowly, it absorbs. Pour too fast, it overflows. Speed works only if the sponge is trained. So even the fast learners hit the wall? Exactly. The brain uses two streams. Dorsal for sound, ventral for meaning. At 2x speed, you still catch the meaning. At 3x, even that fails. Speech turns into static. 2x speed isn't bad at all, but real learning isn't about racing, it's about rewiring. Train your brain, stretch your limits, because the best learners don't rush, they reshape how they learn.